Create a composition. Importing CTA button and mouse pointer. Drag and drop over the timeline. Transform the pointer accordingly. Now animate its position, something like this. Right click on the keyframe, click on keyframe interpolation. Change it linear bezier for both and hit OK. With the help of the handle, curve the path like this. Press R on the keyboard to open rotation property. Rotate the pointer according to path's direction. Here is the animation till now. Turn on motion blur. Now move the initial position to the outside of the comb. Adjust the curve accordingly. Now shift off edge to open a scale property. Set a keyframe at the starting point. Set another keyframe here. One last keyframe here. Change the middle value to 6. Select all keyframes and press F9. Here is pointer click animation. Now give a same pop-up effect for the CTA button with the help of a scale property. Here is the final shot.